Are Google Ads safe? So it's a common question that I get asked that, hey, we're going to implement a Google Ads campaign, or we're thinking about it, or we've heard about it. We want to know, is Google Ads really safe? So before I answer that question, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads expert. I've been running Google Ads for the best part of 2 decades now. So I know what works and what doesn't work. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button. So when I do produce new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, is Google Ads safe? Well, 100% yes, it is. Now, obviously you got to take your usual precautions of making sure only you have access to your Google Ads account, and also turn on your 2-step verification. So if someone is trying to log in, at least your 2-step verification is going to make sure that the right people are logging in. If you want someone else to have access to your account, just you assign them as another user and give them the necessary rights in order to either only look at your account or manage your account, but at least that's in your control. Now, the other thing with Google Ads is that, is it safe? Well, yeah, because you control it. You control everything from your keywords to your ads to the budget, how much you spend a day, how much you spend a week. If you want to pause it, you can pause Google Ads anytime, right? So is it safe? 100% it is. You've got total control. You take the usual precautions of making sure who's got access to your Google Ads account, and you control not only the budget wise and things like that, but you control that, hey, where your ads appear, and so many other things. So yeah, give it a go. If you've got any questions, put it in the comments below, and I'll make sure I can answer them for you. If you want any help on Google Ads, get in touch with me. There'll be a link somewhere around this video. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Guys, there'll be an ebook at the bottom of this video. Click on it, especially if you're starting off on Google Ads. It gives you a wealth of information about the types of Google Ads campaigns you should set up, and how best to structure your Google Ads campaign so it's successful right from day one. I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button, and look forward to seeing you on the other side. Goodbye for now.